I'm John Gizzi, president of Precise Tool Manufacturing, and this is my daughter, Rosemary.
Hi everyone, welcome, and let's take you for a tour around the shop.
This is our small 2-pallet horizontal machining bay where we machine parts out of solid aluminum hog house. Come take a look.
So this machine has a 40-foot long table, and we can machine extra long parts like these.
These are 8-foot diameter, large, rough-turn forges for steel milling. This beautifully machined aluminum casting has over 80 hours of milling and turning on it.
This is one of our smaller parts. Let's take a spin through our quality control department. We have 5 CMMs that are fully programmable from CAD models.
We're in our 5-axis machining area. I've got over 22 machines in this department.
So this is a mold for a coffee cup drink holder. So this is our small lathe department, and these machines can turn and mill in one setup.
A new addition in 2022 is our OM VTL. This machine has a 60-inch diameter table, and it also has live spindle to be able to turn and mill in one setup. We have open capacity in this machine right now. This is our largest machine in the shop, with a 60-ton crane overhead, a 156-inch diameter table, and
Parts can go up to 137 inches.